Okay, my peeps, here's my look for today. I hope you like it. My gosh, don't I look crazy with these boots on? Little black dress, done my hair. Quite happy about that. And I honestly do dress like this for work. I just feel like kind of being extra special. Black dress, weird boots. Very weird boots, guys, but I can't be bothered. It is my lovely, lovely look today, guys, and I'm late for work, so I gotta go. That's my look. Good morning, my peeps. Time to get ready with me again, and yeah, we're gonna do a real, true get ready with me. Today I feel like wearing a bit of a long wig, so that's what I shall do, and I'm gonna have fun today because it's the last day and it's a big public holiday. 4 days off work, guys, Easter. So I'm gonna go to work all dolled up. Don't know what I'm gonna wear. We'll see. Broken. Okay, my peeps, so that was my awesome look today. I'm off to work. What do you think of that Juvias Place? Let's go in the light, guys. Let's go in the light. What do you think of this Juvias Place Subculture makeup palette, man? Look at that neon, guys, and I didn't even put primer on. I hope you guys enjoyed my look today, guys. My little wiggy. I just feel like it, you know. It's my last day of work and we have 4 days off because it's Easter. Yeah, guys, so I am absolutely wrapped. So I just feel like I'm in the mood for a really, really good day today. So I'm trying to set myself up for an amazing day. And that is what I should have. What do you think of that Juvias Place Subculture, guys? Mean. I might put on a colour later. It's just a clear lip gloss, but at the moment I'm running late. Catch you guys later. Hope you enjoyed my Get Ready With Me, guys. Try it. You'll love it. Mwah.